Students and teachers also have access to the Photos app, which is an app that you can store obviously photos that you've taken, but it also has a video editing tool, kind of like iMovie back when we had the Macs. So to find that Photos app, just go to your Windows icon in the bottom left, and I'm just going to type Photos and bring up my Photos app. And so in this app, you have the option up here to create a new video. And I'm going to click New Video Project. Give it a name. And it's pretty simple to use. All you have to do is drag in photos or videos that you already have. So I took a couple random pictures. So that's a picture I took using my Windows Camera app that I installed from the Windows Store. I maybe have this picture from the web, so I just searched a picture, saved it to my desktop. I want that to be my video presentation. Maybe I created a screencast that I want to include in there, so there is a screencast, and your students and you both have access to this. So all I did was I used my Windows Camera, take the picture, it saves it down here, click on that picture, and I'm just going to save it. I like to save things to my desktop just because they're easy to find. Saves that picture to my desktop. I'm going to go back to my Photos app, and then I can just drag it in. So once you have your pictures up here that you want to use in your video project, the next thing is just to drag them to your storyboard. And you can see when it's in use down here, it gives you that little folded corner so you know that you've used it. And we're just dragging and dropping. Once you have your pictures down here, you can rearrange them. You have these options up here. You can add a title. So maybe I want to add some text to that. And I'm going to call this Video Project. You have some basic little layout options and design things in here that you can use, whichever one you prefer. Click Done. And then you can click Play and watch it. I'm just going to kind of go through all my slides. You can see what slide it's on. It'll highlight it. I might be a student explaining my thoughts about something I read, or maybe I'm explaining how to solve a problem, but I'm recording myself on video. When I'm done. All right, so you can add some other things in there, like you can make your slides move. You can add text over top, so maybe I want to put some text on my video here. You can decide how you want it to look. You can do the duration of the text. You can add background music. They have some that's already included, or you can upload an MP3 of your music. You can add some custom audio, but here's just a really simple tool that you and your students can use to create video projects. This is great if you want your students to maybe take a picture or a video of them explaining something, but you want them to add some other things to it. It just kind of enhances videos that they can create using this Windows Camera app. And when you're ready to finish it, you just click Finish Video. I'm going to leave the quality high, export it. And it's going to ask you where you want to export it. Again, I like to have things on my desktop. So I'm just going to call this sample, export it, and you can see that it pops up over here on my desktop as an MP4. Once your students have it saved, so here's my video project. I'm just going to X out of that. You can then have them go to Schoology and upload this video for you then to view.